everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Rosemary, and if you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. So today I'm trying to figure out what to make for breakfast. I'm really hungry right now. However, I have a couple different ideas what I want to make. One will be a granola recipe from my new book, the Ultimate Smoothie Recipe Book. And I'm thinking some type of muffin. Like I have zucchini in the fridge and I have carrots as well. So maybe I'll do a zucchini muffin or carrot zucchini. I don't know. I just love muffins and they're so easy and convenient and portable. So I need one more recipe I got to come up with for breakfast so it can be a complete meal. But I guess I'll show you that later. So yeah. Anyway, let's get started and let's see what we can create together. All right, so the first recipe we're gonna make is a maple pecan granola. Super easy to make, guys, and I'll show you all the ingredients that goes into that. So what you'll need is 2 cups of rolled oats. We need 1 cup of chopped pecans. And be careful when you're chopping the pecans because they kind of go all over the place. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon, pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I like to use a spatula because you kind of can just lift stuff over and press it in so that way all the flavors of that delicious maple syrup will get on each one of the kernels of the oats. So since I have a tiny oven, as you guys know, I have an air fryer slash oven out here in Mexico. I have to use 2 little pans to divide it, okay? So everything I use in this kitchen, in this tiny kitchen, is gonna be tiny equipment. So here's the 2 pans that I'll be using. And make sure that you line your pans with some parchment paper so it doesn't stick. And it is also better for cleanup, easier cleanup, all right, guys? So we're gonna split this in half. Now, if you're working with a bigger, equipment, a bigger pan, then you can just put it all in one. Normal size baking sheet, generally you can use for this recipe. But again, tiny kitchen, tiny pans. So we're gonna separate that. But once it's done, we're gonna put it all together anyway, so it'll be all good. So just spread that out evenly. All right, let's get this in the oven. We're gonna bake it for like 20 to 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it. All right, so in the oven, my little oven is 150 degrees Celsius. Yours will be 350 degrees Fahrenheit, okay? The standard American oven. Make sure in between, like give it like a halfway through and then stir up the granola so that the edges don't get really too dark and brown. And then we'll remove it, keep an eye on it, probably about 10 more minutes, check it, and then take it out when it gets kind of golden brown, okay? And crispy. All right, so I took our granola out of the oven and it looked like it came out pretty good. It's nice and crispy. It's been cooling for a bit and it's still a little bit warm, but I'm just gonna pop it in a bowl. But look how much we made. I'm ready to try it. Let's see. I would suggest to get an airtight container. I just wanna see how many cups it's made. Wow, that's a good amount of granola. So, I'm thinking that's about 4 cups of granola. And it was super inexpensive, and it really cost us hardly that much to make. And granola can be very pricey at the store, so I'm gonna give it a try and see what it tastes like. See what it tastes like. Make sure I get some nuts in there. That's good. It's not too sweet. And it's nice and crunchy. It will be perfect if I have some yogurt. Some nice cashew-based yogurt. Be so good. But by itself, it tastes delicious too. So let's check on our muffins right now. They should be done in a bit, okay? Be sure to watch next week's video when I show you how to make the zucchini muffins. Thanks for watching. For more recipes like this one, go purchase your copy of the Ultimate Smoothie Recipe Cookbook on my website. Bye for now.